finally the day has come for us to review. What I have here is the Higher Ground Acoustics, that's the name of the brand, HG510C. What is it? Let's find out. Hey guys, this is Chester here. You are watching our channel right here at Chester and Unboxing. Okay, the back is fairly standard, but it is pretty, it's pretty solid. Okay, there's one big pocket in the front, good for putting your notes and everything. So let's open the back. This is the guitar itself. Woo! So you can see that the guitar is really, it really bears my style. So what is my style, you might ask? Well, bling, bling and sound. So I hope that this guitar really will accentuate the style of the player. Whether the player is a hard player or the player is a soft player, this guitar will bring it out. So let's go through the specs of the guitar real quick, right? First, we have the headstock, which is amazing. Can I just say it looks amazing like that? And look at the gold accents. Wow. Yeah. And the machine heads, right? They are not just like plastic, but you can actually see. I'm not sure you can see. You can actually see that it's like that it has the wooden mold shape of it. Yeah, which is pretty amazing, if you think about it. And gold hardware at the back also. So wow. Okay, moving on, you have a 3A solid Sitka spruce top. So that will give it the sensitivity and the response that whatever player will play. Okay, so moving on to the body. The body is actually layered rosewood, so it's a little bit wider in terms of dynamics compared to mahogany. So spruce rosewood combination, perfect for many different styles of playing. Okay, and this is bone pins coupled with a Tusky saddle and a Tusky nut. The specs are pretty amazing, and standard inlays and everything. So what I did when I purchased this some time back, I actually took it and I designed and I further refined it to my taste, which is the bone pins, or original is plastic. I changed to bone pins and elixir strings. Amazing. Elixir strings are amazing. Okay, and also I did a professional setup and everything. That includes sanding down the saddle, which is very annoying. I don't like sanding things down because it has to be really very precise. Like if your saddle is like that, then your tone will go because the pickup cannot even pick that up properly. Talking about pickup, so this guitar actually comes with Airbags Element pickup. So that's the very critically acclaimed electronics from Airbags. There's actually just one tier lower than the almighty Anthem. But to fit in this price point, obviously we cannot put the Anthem lah. You put the Anthem, then you might as well just pay the Anthem already lah. Don't need to buy guitar already. Well, there's the option of serious musicians who wants to take this down the line. They can actually outfit this with an Anthem. So yeah, I actually changed this to Jim Dunlop strap lock. This strap holder. So your chances of this guitar dropping on the floor, it's pretty slim. And this is just the promotion for Airbags. Yeah. So all in all, I would say this is an amazing guitar, and I'm actually very pleased with how this turned out to be, because we actually spent a fair bit amount of time discussing this with the builders of this guitar. So yeah, Sitka spruce, 3A Sitka spruce, layered rosewood, ebony, rosewood neck, and so on and so forth, and ebony headboard. So without further ado, let's give it a play. But before that, so let's show you a bit about the body. So the body is equally amazing. Like you can see the grain of the wood is amazing. Okay, and even the sides also. Nice. Wow. Oh, that's my signature. Cause this is me. This is my signature edition. Okay. and yeah, it's amazing. Like, I'm really very pleased with the woodwork. So before I play, so we will really appreciate it if you could follow us, subscribe us, you know, press the notification bell icon if you want to know more about our videos and more about music in a sense, or more about unboxing things in general. We have it all covered. So yeah, really will appreciate it if you could help us there a little bit. So thank you for that. And now on to playing. So just saying, the mic that I'm using right now is a Audio-Technica AT2035. Right now the guitar is not plugged in. Okay, that's proof. Okay, it's not plugged in, so it is purely picked up from an purely acoustical point of view, which is just from the mic, which is actually pick up my voice as well lah. Okay, so let's hear the guitar first. I'll play in 3 versions. Version 1 is just purely external mic. Version 2 is purely from the guitar's pickup and none from the external mic, and version 3 is both engaged at the same time. So here we go. Okay, so that was just the external mic. Now on to purely the guitar's built-in electronics. So I dropped the pick. Anyway, now it's going to be a hybrid. So both the external mic and the built-in electronics. This is tone 12 o'clock. Here we go. Okay, so now with the tone, we've way down, tone minimum. Okay, now the tone is at maximum. Okay, so that was a test of the guitar, the HG510C. That's the name of the model of this guitar. C for cutaway. Yeah. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this guitar sound. Hey, let me know, what do you guys think about this guitar sound? And if you guys have the skills, share in the comments, what can we do to improve this guitar sound? Because I know that some of you guys, like you guys are experienced builders, or you guys are experienced players, to the point where you know exactly what kind of things that is good to replace. So for example, changing the saddle and the nut to bone, for example, that is one surefire way to increase the sustain and the clarity of the guitar. Okay, but if not, I think this is a very, very, very beautiful sounding guitar. But let us know. So which sound you prefer? Do you prefer the unplugged one? Do you prefer the plug-in one? Or do you prefer a mixture of both? Yeah. Then maybe in future recordings, when I'm using this guitar, I can we can better fine-tune the guitar to a more pleasing tone, because after all, sound is subjective, right? Not what I like that may not mean what he or she likes. Yeah, so on and so forth. Okay, but otherwise, I think this is a very, very nice guitar. Yeah, own self praise own self. We reviewed the HG80 I think a year back or two. That is the small size version. This is the full-on nothing held back version of it. So yeah, I think that's about the end of this unboxing and review of the HG510C. I'll show the signature Chester edition. If you like this video, please like it, please subscribe it. Check out our other videos on other guitars and other unboxing videos as well. Okay, if not, that should be all for today, and we will see you guys next time.